Okay. So now I'm going to give the house bank. Here account ID SBI1. Here amount is available with this bank is, this is the amount in which currency is, and this amount is valid in the system. How long the amount is available with the bank, it should be available in the system also, not for 1 day, 2 days, 1 year, 2 years. How long the amount is available with the bank, the same amount should be available in the system, right? So if I give 999 days, so it is available n number of days. Okay, so if I give 30 days, it is only valid for 30 days. It's not like that, right? How long it is there in the system, in the bank, it should be available in the system also. So that is the reason I'm going to give 999, means it is available n number of days in the system. Okay, save it. Next, value date, double click. Payment method, house bank, account ID, SBI1. Okay, save it. So here what I did, I assigned the payment method into the house bank and I given the amount there and I given the rank also, first rank. Okay, so now yes, we assign this payment method into the vendors also. Then we have to create the sequential check lots. Okay, sequential check lots means where we can create the check lots FCHI. In FCHI, I can create the sequential, not sequential, any check lots we can create. FCHI, change, create. I create 20 number. These are the checks which is given by the bank. Okay, here, if you don't select, it becomes sequential. If you don't select, it becomes select. It is sequential. So I'm not going to select. In the previous, I selected this non-sequential. So I can issue any check. But this is, I'm not going to select. No, if I don't select, this is a sequential check box. Okay. Enter, save it. For APP, we have to use only sequential check lots. Otherwise, system will not accept them. Okay. Okay. So now we did the everything. Now let us do end user part, testing part. So before that, BL1N. So I'm checking how many invoices are there. I think no invoices are there. Only one invoice is there. Okay, so what I do, let me post another 2 or 3. Okay, so this is overdue actually. This is overdue. Overdue, right? Okay, so in F-43, okay, vendor is credit. Put the inventory raw material. Save it. Let me post one more transaction. I'll do one more transaction here. Yeah, what I'm doing, I'm going to change the payment terms. By default, it is coming Z01 means payable immediately, because this is the payment terms I assign into the vendor master at the time of creation. So whatever the payment terms I assign into the vendor master, that is coming by default, but still I have option to change also. At the time of posting, the end user wants to change, yes, he has an option. So suppose the end user wants to be here, change the 30 days credit. Okay, so we have to pay him after 30 days, not immediately. $40 inventory raw material. Okay, check. So I have to invert. Okay, so here let me go for FBL1N. Yes, now I have 3 invoices. Actually, this is overdue. 2,150,000 is due just because I just posted this, not due actually. Why? Because
30 days.
30 days credit. I can pay next month 7th also. Okay, so total invoices is 4,80,000 rupees. Some of one of them it is not due. So let's see whether system will consider this or not. Let's see first. Okay. So here I'm going to run APP program F110. Today's date. So identification feature S14. Just give the parameters input. Company code. Payment method. Next payment. Why I'm giving next payment? No, I will tell you later. First, let me give the next payment. Why I'm giving? What is the importance of this? So next, when I'm going to run this APP, I won't run this APP next month. Okay, and this month ending or whatever.
October.
It's okay, whatever it is. I'm not going to give okay, any date I can get 20, 29, 30th, 30th. Whenever I want to run, I want to. Not only exactly on month ending. Okay, Mohan, I can give any date. So you don't.
Okay. It is already completed, ma'am. 30th July.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes, but all the payments will not be made.
October, ma'am. Madam, better you can bet this month end.
This is 10th, na? Yeah. Today is the date 7th. Okay, I given this man.
7th October. Yeah, that's what I'm
7th October. Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, those other payments will not come in.
Yeah. S14. Okay. Payment method. Okay. So next this month ending or whatever, 25th of this month, I want to run next time. Okay. So today I'm running on 7th October. Next, the end user wants to run when? 25th of this month. So next payment run date means when he wants to run. Next, give the vendor just have given the inputs, assign the payment method when I want to run the APP, save it, go back. Okay, just schedule proposal, start immediately. This is all end user activities. He will run in this way. Okay. Enter. It is to be started. Just keep on press enter. Yes, it's been created. It turns into green. Okay. Now, before that, you want to see your proposal? Yes, edit. You want to change anything? Yes, edit proposal. Enter. Here, 3,50,000. That invoice is not coming, which is not due. No, it is not coming. 1,35,000 rupees because
It's not due. Yeah.
next month also I can pay. It always compare that invoice due date with the next payment run date. Next payment run date when I have given 25th, I have given actually.
Mhm.
Right? Next payment run date, what is the date I have given? 25th.
25.
25th. Right? So next also we can pay, right? So it always compare the next payment run date with the due date. Actually due date when? Next month 7th. Also I can pay. So by giving this next payment run date, system will compare this next payment run date with the due date of that invoices. So that is the way that invoice is not coming here. Understood? Any questions? Okay. So next, again still, okay, these two invoices system is going to pay, but still if you want to block anything, it is showing according to the standards, it is showing that these are the invoices are due on this date. But still, if the end user wants to block something, yes, suppose double click this invoice, he doesn't want make payment for him, any reason, whatever the material provided, it is not up to the mark. So he wants hold the invoice for the time being, so he can block this for payment. Okay. So this 2,50,000 also he is going to not, he is not going to make the payment. Okay, so it turns into blue. Okay, save it. Only 1 lakh, one invoice only it is going to pay. It is exception. And this is turned into green color. Okay, save it. Again, go back. Yes. Schedule payment run. Enter. Payment is running. Okay, so still you'll get the message, one is ready, one is generated, one is completed. Okay, still you'll get the one completed, you have to wait. Yes, I got it. Next, print data medium. This is our form name for the printout RFFOUS_C. Just give the variant. Okay, then maintain variants. Selection, for all selection screen, you have to select. Continue. Run date 7th.
7/3, 7/10.
Identification, just give S14. Paying company code, this is just identification. Okay, and next
S14.
give company code. What is our payment method? Here, house banks, account ID, and check clouds. What is the check clouds? Sequential check clouds, 26.
20.
Okay, and then come down, print check, printer LP01. I need the check printout. That is the reason I selected printer name. I want immediately. Then I need a printout of payment advice note. I told you that before we clear the invoices, we will send some advice note, intimation note. So I want that also print out. Printer name, print immediately. I need the summary also. Printer name, print out. So I have to select the 0. Sample printouts, it is showing that you want any sample printouts. No. 0, please give 0. Otherwise, first 2 take as a sample. And you have to select every time, don't void any checks, so that system will not void any checks in between. Okay, these are mandatory. You have to select 0 sample, don't void any checks. Yes. After this, go back. Yes. Just description. Check. Go back. Save. Go back. Here, print out. Schedule printout. Remove this question mark and give our variant name. Variant name is S14 I given. Enter. It is schedule, system, services, output control, select, execute. Yes. Here, you can select payment method here. Payment method. Go for display.
The same one only. Yeah.
Okay. So here, yes. How much amount? 1 lakh rupees.
Mhm.
Right. So this is a check. 1 lakh rupees amount. This is a check. And go back. Here, advice note. I told you no before that we can send him advice note. Display contents, advice note. Advice note means just it will tell that this is the invoice. This is the invoice number. Okay, so this is the due date of that. We are going to pay. So it will just intimate you. Okay. Then summary also we can see. This is a summary. This is summary. Summary means you can see everything here. So is what is the amount, who is the vendor, vendor number, the clearing document number. Okay, you can see here. And after that, okay, what about the invoice of this vendor? It comes under cleared item or not also we can see, right? So if I go to FBL1N, FBL1N, if I go there, okay, so here, if I select open items, that 1 lakh is not there.
Yes.
Yes, it automatically
Clear.
by the system, it comes under cleared item. Today is the 7th, right? So it comes under cleared item.
Mhm.
And we'll see the check register. FCH N.
One.
FCHN. Yes, here. 2 lakhs check number. So vendor, 1 lakh payment document number. So 2 lakhs check number is issued by the system. So check register is also updated automatically. Vendor items also cleared automatically. Everything done by check also issued by the system. See, everything done by the system automatically. Okay, but still here what you know there. Okay, but big organizations, some very big organizations, still they don't use APP program because of secure reasons. To run this APP program, end user has to have enough knowledge on the APP, but some organizations still they don't go for this because they can misuse this while selecting this and that, they can do wrong, whatever. The reason some big organization, they don't rely on this APP program. But still some are using, some still they are not using. Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah, same like, what we got the proposal when we run this APP, in that, we blocked one of the invoice, right? At the same time, can we change the bank as well?
Yeah.
Like,
Yes. I can change where I can change. Okay, tomorrow I will show you
To
that.
make payment,
Yeah,
at the
there.
same time, bank, at the same
Yeah.
time,
I
vendor
can
also,
change the house bank also. Yes. I'll send
right?
vendor.
Uh,
Vendor, how can change?
no, I mean to say block the vendor, particular
Block the vendor
vendor.
I did, right? So there
Yeah.
itself, reallocate option is there. So if
Okay.
I will send a screenshot of this. Okay. So
Yeah.
reallocate is there. If you select there, it will change. It will show the list of house banks. You can change the house bank also.
Okay.
Yes, you can see.
Okay.
That. Okay.
Thank
And
you.
here, yes, with this GST is there. GST, what
Yeah.
I tell you, no, after accounts receivable, I'll teach you with the both combination, sales activity, purchase activities with the both. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow I can start the accounts receivable. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, good
Okay.
that this accounts payable, it is same as accounts payable only, accounts receivable also. The configuration part, everything is same. Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow I can start accounts receivables.